Hello, myself Ankit Kumar Mishra. Today I am going to start a tree series in which I will cover all the important problems for technical interviews. So, the first problem of this tree series is maximum depth of binary tree. So, in this question, we have given a root of a binary tree and we have to return its maximum depth. So, what is maximum depth of a binary tree? A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. Now, let's understand this problem clearly. I have taken this example from LeetCode. Here the longest path is 3, 20 and 15, or we can also take 3, 20 and 7, and the number of nodes in this path is 3. Node 3, which is the root node, node 20 and node 7, or we can also take node 3, which is the root node, node 20 and node 15. So we will solve this problem using recursion. So the recurrence relation which we are going to use for solving the problem is 1 plus maximum of its left call and right call. Now understand this problem using this recurrence relation. So first, from the root node it will go to the left side. Then it will encounter 9. So the left side of 9 is null. Whenever we will encounter a null, we will return 0. So this will return 0. Now we will go to the right side. Right side is also null. It will also return 0. So the maximum of left call and right call is 0. So plus 1. So 9 will return 1, 2, 3. 1 plus maximum of left call and right call, which is 0 and 0 in this case. That sums up equal to 1. So 9 will return 1, 2, 3. From the left call of 3, 1 is returned. Now we will explore the right side of the root node 3. Now in the right side we have encountered 20. It will go to the left of 20. Left of 20 is 15 and 15 has no leaf nodes. So 15 will return 1. So 15 will return 1 to 20. Now we will go to the right side of 20. Right side of 20 is 7 and 7 has no child nodes. So 7 will also return 1 to 20. Now 20 will return 1 plus maximum of its left call and right call. So maximum of 1 comma 1 is 1. So 20 will return 2 to 3. 3 is the root node of this tree. So 20 will return 2. Now for 3, from left side of the tree 3 has got 1, and from the right side of the tree 3 it has got 2. So 1 plus maximum of 1 and 2, so maximum of 1 and 2 is 2 plus 1, so 1 plus 2, 3, which is our required answer. I hope you guys have understood this problem clearly. Now let's code it up. So we will add the base condition. If root equals to null, then it will return 0. Then I will take a left variable for the left call, and right variable for the right call. Now we will return the relation, which is 1 of max of left call and right call. Now let's run this code. Hope everything works fine. So accepted. Now I will submit this code. So finally our code is accepted. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.